𝐂𝐫𝐤𝐬𝐜 double 66182. There it goes, nice double header on that one. Timer. Time now is 16:35. This is your slightly early 16:49 ScotRail service from Moss End TMD DRS to Edinburgh at 68. And we're possibly double staying for a stopper. Yeah, I stopped it just as the amber light went on, but I didn't miss it, thankfully. And yes, once again we're with Rob Guy and Bros Gamer and Edinburgh Transport.
No, it's not Rob Guy, RM Trains.
RM Trains, yeah, that's it.
Subscribe to them.
Yeah.
I'll go try and get a station shot this time.
Yeah, there should be one coming in
a few minutes. Hopefully we go up, as I would like to get a second closure.
I didn't get the full closure.
Yeah, I'm only getting freight in this one, and then I think I'm gonna have to head back to go to Gorky. I'm not sure though.
Oh god.
Don't have a battery either.
No.
Thankfully I did get the amber light though. Wait, from which way?
We saw the lights.
Is it from that way or the left?
It's coming from the left.
Okay. Yeah, that's a 68 then.
68 DRS, probably a 68.
If it's a ScotRail one, that'll be funny because I always see that one. Well, I saw the DRS one here once.
New stickers.
Hmm?
New stickers.
No, those have always been on there.
Should be the 68004.
Did you check Railcam or something for this?
No. But if it's a DRS, normally it's not 68004.
They've got a... You see that barrier door right there? That was new. I think that's been in since October.
Wait, ScotRails?
Yeah. It might be direct rail service though, it depends. I wouldn't
DRS,
I wouldn't lean over the barriers. Look to your left. Look to your left.
Right.
It's coming right there.
Oh yep, 68. I think it's a ScotRail one. I don't know.
Again, it's ScotRail.
Yep, ScotRail. I think.
Yeah.
I think it's ScotRail. It might be DRS though, I'm not sure.
I think I see it as well.
Imagine if it was a Transpennine one, that'd be funny.
Oh, that would be cool.
See, Edinburgh Glasgow's not pulled in yet, so we might do the Brayford.
It is a double.
It's not pulled in yet, so I'm not sure.
It's quite a slow one, actually.
Yeah, it's because it's got a yellow signal because Edinburgh Glasgow's expecting 2 minutes. It's running late.
So this is definitely a double stage.
Yep, ScotRail 68. I think, what is it, 006 and 00 or 007?
It's 007, not 00, maybe 003.
006 or 007.
Okay, ScotRail, guys.
No,
Careful not to film the ground.
DRS coaches.
Oh yeah?
On the front of
Careful
it.
not to film the sky.
Oh, you're joking me.
68006, what just happened?
Oh, God.
6806.
Daring. Edinburgh with some DRS coaches on that, and we should be going up for about a minute.
Yeah,
Yep, up they go.
That's what space going.
We'll see you in a moment. Time now is 16:41. This is your slightly delayed 16:38 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central. 156503 running it.
I'll do it. No, here it goes. 156503.
Yeah. Here we go. 156503 to Glasgow Central. To Glasgow Central, and we should be going up now. And that's it. Okay, time now is 16:56. We're down for your 1700 ScotRail serves from Ayr to North Berwick, and your 1700 ScotRail, Virgin Train serves from Edinburgh to London Euston.
So this is now for you on
Yeah.
1700 from Ayr to North Berwick?
Yeah.
Ayr to North Berwick, and also for your
Edinburgh to London Euston.
on Edinburgh to London Euston.
Yeah.
Should be expected soon.
That'll be a 390. Did you see a Virgin Trains already?
Yeah.
Okay. Was it a grey one with red or completely white?
It was red and grey.
Okay, so that'll be old livery then.
So I'll be to London Euston.
Yeah.
I'm just see at the station.
What time's the Virgin one?
Same time as Ayr North Berwick, so you might get a double. What?
I would imagine Virgin's first.
Don't know. Depends where it is. We went down early, so it might be from that way. Yeah, it is always early. It's usually early. Yeah, that's running 2 minutes early. If this is a 385, then I'll be surprised. But it should be a 380, unless 385s go to Ayr. But I don't think they do. So we've got a 380 and yeah. Look out for Pendolino, because I can see Ayr.
I think I should go get a station shot on this one. I think I'm gonna go get a station shot.
I'm just gonna stay here.
You're gonna stay here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not even holding this like I usually do, so lol. Yeah, here comes Ayr. 380. 380. So Wester Hales. Double staying, then we're going back down about 1703. Actually, that'll be Edinburgh, Glasgow, and then Glasgow, Edinburgh. You might want to come here because there's a better view.
Yeah.
Yeah, here we go, 380 first. We've got a Pendolino. This train's got a green light. 380 101. 380 101 to North Berwick, and we are double
I
staying.
think they're gonna stay.
Yeah, we are. Oh no, we're not. We're going up.
Not.
Virgin must be late then.
Yeah.
Interesting.
I think so as well.
We'll see you in a moment then.
Oh god, that gave me a fright.
Time now is 1700. We're down for a slightly delayed 1700 Virgin train service from Edinburgh to London Euston, which is expected at 02, and we're possibly down for 1705 from Glasgow to Edinburgh, but I'm not 100% sure.
Station shop would be quite a nice spot. Too many of them.
I haven't got any yet, so I'm going to go on the platform. I want to get Station Shop, because why not?
Why not?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, air train at 1840. Right, so yellow light, and we have got a green.
A green light. Yeah, so.
So we just have to look out for the train from that way. So we might double stay. I don't know though.
Be. Yeah, it might be. So hopefully it'll give us a toot. Hopefully.
Yeah.
Oh.
There we are. Yeah, Virgin, it's definitely.
Virgin, definitely Virgin.
If the ScotRail is first, then I'll be surprised. But it's expected at 02, so I'm pretty sure this is the Pendo.
Yeah, Virgin. Goes back as you can.
No idea. Let's just look at the board while we wait. Hopefully that signal goes green so we double stay.
Hopefully.
Yeah, anyways. Yeah, let's might as well get it here. Just stay around. Oh, here we go. A new livery. I think it's a new livery. Yay. Thank you. 𝐂𝐫𝐤𝐬𝐢𝐜, I think that is. However, I'll have to double check that because I couldn't see. Let's see. Up we go.
Up we go.
Again, we'll see you in a moment.
Last time I did this, it was a hangman, so.
I've not seen one here yet.
I have.
Time now is 17:05, and my best guess is that this is the 17:05 ScotRail service from Glasgow to Edinburgh. However, we do have a chance for the 17:16 expected 10 666 Juliet from 𝐂𝐫𝐸 to where? Don't remember. 𝐂𝐫𝐸 to like somewhere. I don't know. I know it's a 70 from the right, so we'll just say that.
So this is for your ScotRail. This is for your Edinburgh Waverley to Glasgow.
No, it's Glasgow Edinburgh.
Glasgow Edinburgh, sorry. What?
Actually, we haven't seen Edinburgh Glasgow yet. This could be Edinburgh Glasgow as well.
Yeah.
We'll have to check the signal. I have no idea though. See, none from that way.
It's Edinburgh Glasgow.
Is it green?
Yeah, it's green.
Careful not to drop that. Oh yeah, we're down for Edinburgh Glasgow. I forgot about that one. So this should be a double stay, and then we've got 𝐂𝐫𝐸𝐻. I'll be going after the 70. We've got 158 on Edinburgh Glasgow, I can tell. I can hear those Cummins engines.
I'll
I
go
really hope we double stay.
hopefully. Shall I go back? I'm going back.
Yep, 158.
158. This is my first 158. This is my first 158 in my life. Actually.
Right, if this goes up, then the next two trains will be filmed on the station. We've got 158734. 158734. 158,734. What are we doing next? What are we doing next? I do not know. Thank goodness we are doubling.
I do not know where this train is, but
I've got 20% battery.
That's why I'm stopping.
So you're gonna like trim it in between trains?
I think I can see a light.
Some people do that. I don't know why I filmed the whole closure these days. I don't know.
I know what he does.
You can definitely see a light.
It just saves battery.
Yeah, no. Good. God. Alright, there we go.
Yeah, I saw lights.
What?
I saw lights when I was at.
It's either Glasgow, Edinburgh, Freight. I don't know. What did it look like?
Looked like a 6.6, but
If it's a 6.6, then that'd be right.
70 though.
Yeah, it's a 𝐂𝐫𝐸 70. It's always a 70.
A station shop would be quite cool. It's 156.
Yeah, 156. So 𝐂𝐫𝐸 will be behind me. So
Is it stopping here now?
no, it's not. It's non-stop.
Yeah, you might want to stop that. It's not.
I'm going back to the lights.
Yeah, train's just coming now.
I'll come up too.
Actually, you know what? Fine, I'll come.
Why not?
156.
I'll just stay here and I'll stay here and.
Well, the train's here now. 156,439. 156,442. I've not seen that one before. That's a new one. I think that's a newly refurbished set. Up they go. Right, I will decide whether I film the next closure or not, so you'll see what I do in a second. Daniel will call the closure. Yeah, we decided to record this one.
I think I did a bang.
Nah, these definitely do not bang, they won't for a while. Time now is 17:11, we're down for you slightly early. 17:16, 𝐂𝐫𝐸 Rail Freight service from Oxwell Mains to somewhere, I don't know. View Park, that's it. View Park to Oxwell Mains are the other way around. It'll be on the text. So this will be 70. Then I'm gonna have to go. I wouldn't lean over the barrier though, I might do emergency sequence. So yeah, this is our last closures, I need
Where's
to
it
go.
coming from? There.
I'm just getting photos. My best guess is this will probably be a 5-minute closure unless it's running around. But I was approaching 𝐾𝐿, so don't know, it'll probably be a donkey lane. Well, right, I got a photo.
David, me, Josh, me, David, me.
What channel? What are your channels?
I hear it. I don't know.
Just tell me later, Daniel. I'll put them in the description.
I forget it.
So
I
this
know,
one-
I'm gonna let it.
Nice to meet you.
This one I'm going.
I have to go after this. This is a 𝐂𝐫𝐸 70.
Yeah,
So
me
I'm gonna stay with. I'm staying with.
I'll see where it is.
you're gonna stay until 5:30 train, which is 3:85.
Or.
Would you like to come with me to the station to see where it is?
I'm gonna stay here.
I don't know where it is. I didn't really see it. So. If you see this town.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 peoples. Nice.
Wobbling. Still wobbling. That's weird.
What's wobbling?
Probably thought just barrier. Probably thought when you drive through it. Like a massive slingshot. Right now.
So is this a ScotRail?
This is a 𝐂𝐫𝐸 Rail Freight, so it's a light engine.
I don't think I've seen them before.
Nah, probably not. I cannot see my screen right now. Lol. Anyway, subscribe to all the channels in the description. I'll put you better. I've got 573 as of recording this.
Yeah, lights, +70.
That's 70.
I see the lines.
Yeah. Yes, laddies. I wouldn't hang over the bar, you might drop your phone.
Yeah, mate. I've done that on my other.
It's only if you're that fat.
Oh well, we weren't down there for that long actually. From here? Right, where
A
is
lot
it?
of people here.
Yeah, I know.
I think I should cross.
Yeah. There we are. I can see
No,
it.
I think I should stay right here. I think I should stay right here.
So yeah, that is 68 freight train. And
Okay,
70.
I'm staying back here.
Right. Oh, it's got wagons. It's not a light engine. It's a tank train.
Tank train.
Tanker.
So that means the train from the other way is a light engine, probably. Anyways, we have 70 810.
Oh God.
Thank you. I know. Yeah. 7810, and thanks for watching today's videos from Kingsknowe. We shall see you next time.